National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado warning for East Central Osage County in northeastern Oklahoma, northern Washington County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 3 miles southwest of Barnesville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations in or near the path include Bartlesville, Dewey, Barnesville, Okesa, Bartlesville Municipal Airport, Tolland. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.